how to hide completed tasks in Notion. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show how you can hide completed tasks in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Open your favorite browser, head to the Notion website. Click Login in the top right corner. If you want the quickest route, choose Continue with Google, especially if you're already signed into your Google account, and you'll land on your dashboard. Next, locate the database you want to tidy up, whether it's a task list, a project board, or anything else you've been tracking. In the upper right corner of your database view, click the filter icon. Now adjust your filter settings so you're only seeing active work. Find the field labeled status or whatever you've named it and select every status except done. For example, keep to do, in progress, or review checked, but leave done unchecked. That's it, your completed tasks are now hidden from view, but they're not deleted. You can bring them back anytime by tweaking the filter settings. This simple change keeps your Notion workspace looking clean, helps you focus on what's next, and makes managing your tasks a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.